Hey, what's up everyone? Picture this. You're heading up a steep hill in your SUV, maybe a Ford EcoSport or a Chevy Trailblazer, and suddenly, your car feels like it's run out of steam. The engine's whining, you're losing speed, and for a second, you wonder if you're going to make it to the top. Sound familiar? You're definitely not alone. Today, I want to break down exactly why this happens, even in vehicles designed to handle the rough stuff, and what you can do to make your next hill climb way less stressful. Trust me. Knowing a few key things can mean the difference between powering over that summit and being that guy holding up traffic at the bottom. Let's kick things off with the biggest culprit: lack of torque at low RPM. Small engines and even some turbocharged ones need to be spinning in the right range to put out enough power, especially when you're hauling passengers or gear. If you're crawling up in too high a gear, your engine just isn't making the grunt you need. That's why your EcoSport or Trailblazer can feel super sluggish on inclines, especially if you're loaded up. Next up, transmissions and gearing. Automatics are supposed to do the thinking for you, but on steep hills, they can get confused. Sometimes they hang on to higher gears too long and leave you starved for power until they finally downshift. If you've got a manual, shifting into second or third too early is the classic rookie mistake. Your car bogs down, and up you go, very slowly. Solution: keep it in a lower gear, let the revs climb, and don't be afraid to use manual mode or those L and 2 settings. Of course, it's not all about the engine. On loose gravel, mud, or wet grass, even the beefiest SUV will struggle if your tires are worn out or you lose momentum. Sometimes it's just about technique. Keep your speed steady, don't stop mid-slope, and make sure you're in the right 4WD mode if you've got options. Seriously, I've seen Trailblazers stuck because the driver left it in the wrong setting. And finally, let's not forget maintenance. Dirty air filters, weak spark plugs, clogged fuel injectors. These can all rob your engine of power, and you might not notice until you hit a hill. Even a worn-out transmission or a clogged catalytic converter can turn a decent drive into a struggle. So, what can you actually do? Keep your vehicle in top shape: regular services, clean filters, healthy spark plugs, and working fuel systems. On the road, use the right gears, keep your RPMs healthy, and build momentum before you hit the steepest parts. If you've ever faced this uphill battle, let me know in the comments what car you drive and how it handles on climbs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more real-world SUV tips.